a really helpful tip on how to get this installed. This is the 5-point harness. This is how it's going to come with these pieces. I like to start with definitely the main buckle, because with the Mima upright, it's just easier to keep track of where I am, how I'm actually putting each of these other pieces together. So we're gonna start, and I will turn this around so Daniela, you can zoom in a bit better on that part of it. These little clips, they just kind of squeeze together a little bit. You just snap them right on in. I'm gonna have to turn this for my own leverage here. There we go. I'm gonna show you here on this side. You'll see these just clip right in there. That's it. So I'm gonna continue to do that after. All right, I've got the Mima now facing upright. Okay, facing upright, the Mima side. Then I'm gonna actually assemble the buckle next. I'm gonna take these two parts. This helps it because then I know exactly which side is which. I don't always know the left from the right so quickly. So, and that's just me. But it makes it a lot easier to do the installation. So starting with this one, also note that the buckle, this part of it should be facing out so it's not touching your baby's skin. So let's see here, did I pick the right side? I did. So this one goes there. And this piece is the bottom piece. I wanna make sure that that's clear as well. And this one, snap right here. This is again the other bottom, and you'll know that this is the bottom because this is always the bottom right. The warning label is on the bottom right, okay? So I'm gonna snap that in. There we go. And then I'm gonna snap this side in. There we go. So now we have something that looks like that, okay? That's how we are so far. All right, now let's take the next pieces. Actually, I'm gonna take these two little pieces here. These two little extras, you'll see that there's 4 slots. This really just depends on how tall that you need the straps for the shoulders to go, depending on the size of your baby at that time. So sometimes you may just have to take this apart and swap them just as your baby grows. I'm gonna just put them on the lower one for now. And this side, there we go. So it's just like that. All right, now these two are our top. So the two with the loops are the top part, okay? And again, if you have any questions, feel free to type them in. Daniela's there. Say hi, Daniela.
Hi, everyone.
She's manning the camera, so if anyone has any questions as we're going through this, feel free to ask. So this is the top, the loops there. I'm gonna unbuckle those. I'm also gonna add the shoulder straps, which a lot of times I personally forget to do that, but these don't actually have a left or a right, but they do have a right side. So you'll notice one of these, I don't have the right way. Do you see that? This one is correct, this is incorrect, okay? The buckle should all, again, be facing out so it's not touching your baby's skin. So I'll put that there. And this one that I said is incorrect is because I'm holding it upside down. So I'll just turn that around. Now this is the correct way to do that, okay? Hopefully you caught that. All right, snap this one in. Make sure I'm lining it up here. There we go, snaps right into place, okay? Then you're gonna add your shoulder straps. There is no upside or down for this. It's, you know, it's really good. It's okay either way. And just feed that on through. There you go. And then the same with this one, feed that on through. And they'll just stay right there. And they actually cover those buckles, so there's a little bit of that extra padding. All right, so now we've got this. We know where everything's at. I'm gonna unbuckle it, each side there. Put that up front so it's out of my way. This one to the right. And this just feeds right into that loop. Slides there, and there you go. It's back in. So I'm gonna snap that back so I know it's done and it stays in place. And then this one, I'm gonna take it here, put it right through the loop like that. And then I'm gonna snap that one more time. And there you have it. That is all there is to putting that together. Again, this is the Moon, this is the camel color. I'm showing this today in the black base. I also have the white base here. The next part, I'm just gonna adhere it to the shell. So there's a little knob there, if you can see that little knob that's right there. I'm gonna take that piece and line it up to the knob that's at the top of the chair here, the top of the Moon. So that should just line up right inside of there. And once I have it correct, I'm just gonna let it go and hear it click and it snaps shut. Now there's a safety bar that's always there. There's like a grab action here to open that. You'll see that there's these two little points here that are aligned with the center so that I can just easily slide this right on and then let go. And now it's moved all the way set, okay? Again, there's a lot of other complimentary products that we have to go with this. Don't forget about your cushion, the camel cushions that match it. You can order those online as well with it.